Okay, guys, so you finished week one and you know all about study skills and habits. You've explored um, a few different careers and different factors that relate to those careers. So now we are moving on to week two. When you go into your um, Google Classroom, for some reason this week it split up the lessons from the accountability assessments. I think I might be able to combine them, but we'll go with it for now. So, lesson three, we did one and two last week. So, the first one for this week is actually lesson three. We are going to be able to identify skills that you would like to use in your future careers. Um, so, for example, if you know that you're going to need to know how to speak Japanese, because you want to be an interpreter for the UN, then that is a skill that you will need to acquire. So you'll identify those skills. You'll be able to explore different ways that you can get work experience now, identify ways to get experience while you're still in school, figure out what type of experience is best suited for your career interests and goals. So, if you want to be a writer, then maybe it's not the best place to spend your time doing work in an animal shelter, unless you just also love animals. But for your career, maybe it would do you more good to spend time around other writers, um, or even working in a library or something where you're able to do some more reading and gain more experience in the publishing arena. So you're also going to be able to generate a list of school offerings, including courses and programs that provide an opportunity to gain work-related experience. There's some questions and vocabulary there. So for day one, week two, you are going to open Zello again. And from your Zello About Me page, you're going to complete the Skills Lab assessment to determine your level of desire to use 35 different skills in your career. So you'll go to Skills Lab assessment. Okay, and it should be in your study skills and habits, but it might be also in your jobs and employers. Let's see, maybe it's in career factors. Ugh, okay, I can't show you because I have not saved 3 careers I like, and you guys will have already done that by now. So you'll follow through the Skills Lab assessment and do these 5 things, 6 things. The sixth thing is to complete the Google form here for your daily attendance. And then day 2 and day 3 are here, but you also will have an accountability assessment for day 1 of week 2, and it is up here in a separate section. So make sure that you not only do this skills lab part 1, but you also do the accountability assessment. Okay? If you have questions about that, please let me know. I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.